Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, in the previous classes we have finished our chapter 5, that was presentation table, and today I am going to discuss chapter 6, diagrammatic presentation. Beta, this is my NM Shah book. Under diagrammatic presentation, the first of all I would like to discuss the introduction of this chapter. Dear students, diagrams or graphs are most effective in attracting attention than any of the other methods of presentation. That means जो diagrams होते graphs होते it easily attracted to the others. A well constructed, simple and attractive chart showing a limited set of information is easier to understand at a glance. Pictorial presentation, that means presentation through picture, requires a great deal of artistic talent, imagination. Diagrammatic presentation is the most popular and common for representing the statistical data in an attractive way. So students, this was all related with the introduction. Now students, we have pictorial representation. इसको बेटा क्या किया हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. वन इज डायग्रामेटिक प्रेजेंटेशन, जो कि हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, और ग्राफिक प्रेजेंटेशन ये हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर का है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो बेटा डायग्रामेटिक प्रेजेंटेशन में हमारे पास टोटल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 टाइप्स ऑफ डायग्राम है. पहला 1 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम्स, 2 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम्स, 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम्स, 4th पिक्टोग्राम, 5th मैप्स और कार्टोग्राम्स. अब बेटा इन केस ऑफ 1 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम we have 7 types of diagram, 6 types of diagram which are very very important. बेटा पहला मेरा है सिंपल बार डायग्राम, दूसरा सब डिवाइडेड बार डायग्राम, तीसरा मल्टीपल बार डायग्राम, 4th परसेंटेज बार डायग्राम, 5th ब्रोकन बार डायग्राम, 6th डेविएशन बार डायग्राम. तो बेटा ये सारे 1 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम. 2 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम में रेक्टेंगल्स, स्क्वायर्स, सर्कल्स एंड पाई डायग्राम. Dear students, in case of 2 dimensional diagram, only pie diagrams are very very important. 3 dimensional diagrams, cubes, cylinders, blocks, this is not important. Pictogram we will not discuss. Maps we will not discuss. So under diagrammatic presentation we have only 1 dimensional diagram. Now students, in case of second part of this chapter, we have very very important topic. This is what are the importance and usage of graphs and diagrams. मतलब ग्राफ्स और डायग्राम के क्या यूज हैं, उसकी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, उसकी क्या आवश्यकता है. तो बेटा पहला पॉइंट, दे आर इंटरेस्टिंग, अट्रैक्टिव एंड इम्प्रेसिव. दे आर द सिंपलेस्ट मेथड्स ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग डाटा. That means even a layman can understand by seeing the diagram. They make comparison easy. Diagrams can be used for quick comparison. They have universal utility. Universal utility मतलब दुनिया में सब जगह इसकी उपयोगिता है. Utility का मतलब हो गया utilizations. Graphs are used for finding positional values with the help of median, quartiles, mode. And median, quartiles, mode we will all discuss as a numerical chapter under the head measures of central tendency. So students, today we have discussed the first aspect was 1 dimensional diagram, which are very very important for numerical portion point of view. And the second aspect we have discussed importance and usage of graphs and diagrams. Thank you.